Are white kitchens finally over? Is the question everyone keeps asking. And the answer is kind of. White kitchens aren't disappearing, but designers are shifting towards warm, richer, more layered looks. Today, I'm breaking down what's replacing the all white kitchens and how you can update your space without doing a full remodel. If you're thinking about updating the kitchen, whether you want to refresh your white cabinets or start from scratch, my ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide will walk you through the smartest choices for your layout, your style, and your budget. Whether you're spending $5,000 or $50,000, this guide will save you time, money, and stress. You can grab it using the link down in the description. So are white kitchens over? Not really. You're still gonna have your traditional white kitchens that are extremely popular, but what trends are coming this year that are coming really strong are these warm tones here. As you can see right behind me, these warm tones are applied here at the bottom, the base cabinets, but you still have the white tone cabinets on the top. I brought these two displays to show you some of our most popular stain colors that we're selling right now, which is this rift white oak with a nice warm stain and this cherry here with a nice brown stain. These two colors are being attracted by so many people. Why? I don't know, trends that are going on right now. Magazines kind of push them a lot. Different manufacturers are putting it in front of us and people are liking it. They make your kitchen feel nice and warm when you're walking in your kitchen. As you guys can see right behind me, this little display feels nice, feels like home, feels nice and warm. I'm ready to eat. So you have your nice floating shelves that are nice in the nice brown tone. We have the bottom here. This is basically a hickory. So not often used too much in kitchens. A lot of people stay away from hickory because they're afraid of it because of all the amount of grain, but you add a nice warm stain to it and it kind of gives you that nice warm home feel. So white kitchens aren't necessarily dead. They're just being adapted. If this helped you understand what's replacing the all white kitchen, the next video you should watch is best kitchen design tips. I'll link it right here and I'll see you there.